Okay, so today we're going to show you taping technique for plantar fasciitis. Normally plantar fasciitis gives pain in the insertion of the plantar fascia, which is over there. And with the taping technique, we're just going to reinforce the area so we allow enough time for the plantar fascia to heal. So I'm just going to show you the technique. Okay, so we first do here cross. So that's the first step. Second step from the side, and then across. Okay, the reinforcement should be roughly at the insertion of the plantar fascia. And then another one on the other side. So once you finish that step, you proceed to reinforce the taping. So you go across, you can continue up to the heel, but that's optional. Sometimes it's good to leave it like that. Then you just do a final one to close off the tape. Okay. To really reinforce it, you can do another one across. So that it sticks. As you can see, from this way, the plantar fascia is now reinforced by the tape. So each time we take a step, the tension is going on the tape and not on the plantar fascia. Okay.